Advices I would give to a beginner version of myself. Zero earth advice. You learn by doing things. So stop thinking about things and start doing them. Spending too much time on thinking process is never a good approach. Instead, just start with some or the other thing and then sort of have this feedback loop. Put your 10x effort and then have a feedback process. Correct yourself, okay? Be like a machine learning model. Every, always have a feedback loop. First advice: jack of all, master of one, which further extrapolates to jack of all, master of some. But this comes with a clause. It should be done consistently. Okay? Second, cheating is acceptable. Programming is like an open book test. You have all the resources, everything available on the internet. You have to build things using those things, using all the resources. Third thing, don't fall in love with one programming language. I repeat, don't fall in love with one programming language. Fall in love with the concepts. Fall in love with how programming actually works, what logics are, how logics actually work. And same goes for frameworks as well as libraries. Fourth one, coding is not about typing code. It's about giving your ideas a digital look. Even Chintu writes code, but he can't think of better ideas than you. Even GPT-3 writes code, but it can't think of better ideas than you. So be the one, be the executioner,